Hi guys, today in this video I'll show you about how you can convert PDF file to CSV file. So let's just start video. Make sure this guide will run on any PC or laptop and every steps are similar. So now let's just start video. Here are some instructions about how you can convert PDF into CSV. It is a very easy guide and very helpful guide. So now first of all you will go to Chrome and tap on search bar and type PDF converter into CSV. After then you will see upload image. Tap on and select the file image which you want to do convert. So now after the selection file you will see convert option right there. So simply tap on it and your file will be converted in some seconds. So that's it. I hope this guide will be helpful for you. See you in the next video.